Greetings from Godrej. Hope you and your family are staying safe at this time of the year. In the view of the general safety, we are bringing you the updates directly from site Aqua. As you can see, we are completing the basements. The last step is currently happening on top of the STPs. Once this gets over, we can go ahead with the laying of cable trays and service pipes and painting works and other basement related activities. Now we can look at the progress of the towers. We are currently standing at Tower A, 8th floor. We have finished the shell. We have finished the shell of Tower A till 11th floor, while the flooring is done till the 4th floor. The Tower B is completely complete till the terrace, and we are working on the 3rd floor of the flooring. Tower C, we are working on the 9th floor, while the flooring is at the 4th floor level. Tower D, we are working on the 10th floor, while the flooring is at the 1st floor level. Tower E, clubhouse and F are all the three structures which are continuously being worked upon. So the progress of them are at the 1st floor slab level. Tower G, we are working on the 14th floor while we are at the flooring of 1st floor. Tower H, we have completed the terrace slab levels and we are working on the flooring at the 1st level. Tower I, we are finishing at the 14th floor, which is the last but one slab, while we are at the flooring in the 3rd floor. With this, our tower updates are complete. Now we can go to the clubhouse. Hi, we are standing in front of our 15,000 square feet clubhouse, which is going to host an array of activities, such as our banquet hall in the ground level, our cafeteria in the ground level, the swimming pool at the 2nd floor level, the badminton court at the 2nd level, and the gym, which is going to be facing the swimming pool at the 3rd floor level. There are other smaller activities such as creche and yoga centers in this building only. Now we are looking at this stretch of area which is going to be hosting an array of pedestrian friendly activities like kids playing areas and elders movement areas. This place is not going to be accessible through vehicles in any form. This area that is opposite to the clubhouse, which is right now having the STP in front of it, shall be our spillover area of the clubhouse, where there is a bigger, larger gazebo placed and a lot of activities can happen in this area as a congregational spaces. In front of the tower E, D and C, we have a lot of activities such as our amphitheaters, our fitness centers, our reading areas, our elders corner, and in the side of the club, on the side in front of the towers F and G, we have our multi-purpose play areas along with our yoga deck and our meditation deck.